Hi, I'm Dr. Amy Myers. You know, today we are living in a world full of toxins. We have leaky guts. Our soil has been depleted, therefore our food has less nutrients than ever before. We're stressed out and we're dealing with more infections than ever before. For that reason, I recommend that everybody take the following 4 supplements each day. And I call these my essentials, the essentials kit, because I believe everyone needs each of these things. So let's talk about them. First up, we have vitamin D with vitamin K2. You always want to take vitamin D that has K2 with it. It helps for maximum bioavailability and absorption into your bones, which is where you need this. With the liquid, each drop has 1,000 IUs. Therefore, if you're somebody getting yours tested and you need 3, you would take 3 drops. If you need 5,000 IUs a day, you take 5 drops. Always drop that directly into your mouth. Don't mix it with liquid because it could stick or adhere to the side of your cup. Next up, we have the Myers Way Multivitamin. Now, I created this when I wrote the Thyroid Connection, and I created this multivitamin as a very comprehensive multivitamin to help those who are looking to have optimal health, avoid thyroid issues, or if you're someone dealing with Graves' or Hashimoto's, to help reestablish optimal thyroid function. We're dealing with optimal levels of selenium, iodine, B vitamins, zinc, all of the things that you need to make that conversion from T4 to the active form of T3, the thyroid hormone. Then we have our Probiotic Complete 30 billion. This has 14 different strains of probiotics that help to reestablish your gut microbiome. And then we have Omega-3 Complete. Now this Omega-3, each gel cap has 1,000 micrograms or 1 gram of EPA and DHA in each capsule. And it's in a re-esterified triglyceride. I know, that's a mouthful, but what that means is that it's way more bioavailable than most of the fish oils out there on the market. 124% more bioavailable. We've tested it, no mercury here in our omega-3s, and most importantly, this helps with inflammation and brain health. So we know that we need those good fats, and that makes up the essentials kit that I recommend for everyone to take daily.